Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the look, I am doing my everyday makeup routine. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, whatever, subscribe and share the love. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I used the e.l.f. pomade. I usually use the Anastasia dip brow, but I feel like with the e.l.f. pomade I had like more control on doing my brows than the Anastasia, so I decided to just do it with that. So now I'm just gonna carve out my brows using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Swan for the bottom of my brows, and then on top of my brows I'm going to carve my brows using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 118. I'm just gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back to do my face. Okay, now that my brows are done, I'm just doing my foundation. I ran out of my foundation for the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I ran out, so I'm using the NARS Radiant Foundation in Mont Blanc, if that's how you pronounce it. But just gonna put this all over my face. Okay, now I'm going to do concealer, and I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Swan. Okay, now I'm just gonna set my face with the Airspun translucent powder. Okay, now my face is all set, so now I'm just gonna use the Morphe continuous setting spray and just set my face before I add more powder, so my face doesn't look like cakey or anything. And I'm just gonna grab my sponge and just press it in. Alright, next I'm just going to use my butter bronzer with the Morphe M527 brush and just bronze up my face. Okay, next I'm just going to grab my Anastasia contour kit, and with the Morphe M4L5 brush I'm just going to dip into these two shades right here and just contour. Alright, now I'm just going to grab my powder brush and just blend it all so it doesn't look too harsh. Alright, then I'm just going to use my Ciate London Marble Light blush in the shade Halo. And with a Morphe E4 brush, I'm just going to pack on some blush and just apply it onto my cheeks. Then I'm just going to grab a sponge and just carve out the contour. Okay, now I'm going to work on the eyes. So for my everyday makeup look, I don't do eyeshadow. So I'm just going to start off with my wing eyeliner. And I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner. So I'm just going to do that off camera and I will be right back. Alright, now I have my eyeliner on, and now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and then I'm just going to apply mascara using the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. And then after that we'll apply lashes using the Lily Lashes in the style Miami Flare. Alright, now I'm just going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Alright, now I'm just going to apply highlight on my cheekbones and my inner corners and my brow bone using the Ofra highlighter in Glazed Donut. And I'm just going to use the Morphe M431 brush. And then I'm just going to use the Morphe and 501 brush and apply it on the cheeks. Alright, now for lips, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude. Okay, now I'm going to fill in my lips using the Rimmel Stay Satin liquid lipstick in the shade Psych. Alright, and then while this is drying, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Cocoa Cake. Alright, and that's the finished look. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, whatever, and subscribe and share my channel with people that you know, because we are close to 500 subscribers, which is so weird to me to even say that. Like, we're close to almost half of 1,000. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.